Zephyr Solar Technologies, roof mounting kits for all roof types. Here at Zephyr, we sell pre-packaged kits for all roof types. Everything you need is in the box. You can order 2, 3, 4 or 5 panel kits for all roof types. The system is designed for quick and easy installation, saving you time and money. All boxes come with full installation guides and videos. Just scan the QR code for installation videos. Leroy from Leroy's Electrical tells us why he likes the product.
We've been using the Zephyr system for about 5 years. I really like it. It's convenient, easy to use, goes to very quickly, lightweight on the roof, quick and easy to install.
Yeah, it burns electrically. We use Zephyr racking. It's easy to use. The mounting is very easy. They give you how to install, give you all the structure.
We offer a full range of mounting systems, from commercial to residential. We offer ground mounts, flat roof mount, and carport solutions. We also offer full and mini rail options. Zephyr, your trusted roof mounting solutions.